Well, good morning, you lovely people. So, what we're doing today? So today, got to go over to Barnsley and see if we can get into this lock, which isn't a house, by the way. It is a Land Rover, and I've got 2 eggs to pick up. Not from chickens, eggs as in inflatable spa hot tub eggs. One's got a flow problem and the other has a leak, which I know what the problem is with the leak because I've sorted one of these out before. So I'm going to sort these 2 eggs out when I've got time, and then I've got to go over to Lepton and sort a waste pipe out. So this is my Monday, so there's a bit of distance between each job, and so keep watching this video, guys. So these are the 2 eggs that I've picked up. Don't know which one's got the flow, but I do know one of them's got a leaking problem. But I think that's the flow one, or it might be the leaking one. Find out anyway when I get them home. There we go, that's one job out of the way. I've got the 2 eggs. Don't put all your eggs in one van though. Lock was quite simple, just kept tapping it with a hammer, put the key in a little bit of pressure, opened it, sprung open, just a little bit of like the time of year it is, so I've given it all a WD-40 and it sprung open. Seems to be working alright now, just a little bit seized up, catching on the door, but that's the way it goes sometimes. They wanted me to drill the lockouts as well, the keys turning, so I don't really need to do that, do I? So there you go. So we're on to the next job now, which is the waste pipe, if I can get out of this road. Now everything and its dogs just decided to start driving on this road today. Right, there we go. Get off. Right, on my way to Lepton now.
Alarm clock screaming like a busted top. Boots on the floor, coffee tastes like crap. Van full of tools, radio loud. Neighbors already not impressed. Wow. A quick job, yeah, I've heard that before. Now I'm knee deep water on your kitchen floor. You can panic, shout, slam the door. I've seen worse, bring it on once more. Man with the van and the stubborn hands. Plumbing, painting, space. That shelf straight from a certain place. Measure twice, cut it once, cut it wrong, swear I just done. Customer says just one more thing. That's how you lose your whole evening. I don't quit till it's holding strong, even if it takes all night long. Hey, call Handyman. Man with the pen and the stubborn hands. Hey, call Handyman. Leaking pipes to skirting plans. Not a hero, not a brand, just honest craft in a battered fan. If it's broken, call Handyman. Not perfect lines, but it'll last. Built to survive.
So there we go, that's the job's done for today. So we're going to take these eggs back home now and have a look at them. Just need to order some parts for one of them, but I'm going to check the other one out first before I order any parts. Can fix them both, make two jet egg things for the spa, the hot tub. I can't think of what the word is. I know they're called eggs. Air jet pumps. They circulate the water and heat it as well, which is good. That's why you have called them hot tubs, I suppose, isn't it? Anyway, fixed that leak. Well, it's not a leak, it was a blockage. There was a lot of fatty deposits inside that pipe, but it's got a lot of bends in it as well, so it's not the best waste system. So I probably advise the client that we could probably do with rerouting that waste, but I could do with a new kitchen in there as well, to be honest. It's absolutely knackered, is that kitchen. There's a lot of things that could be done differently, but we were only called out to unblock the pipe work, which is what I've done, and it'll probably keep it going for a bit longer anyway. So yeah, it could probably do with being renewed, but that's quite a substantial job. So I would probably be tempted to take it straight out of the back of the unit on the other outside wall and then bring it round into drain. But there's two drains on that property, one on that corner where the pipe's coming out, and then the other one a bit further down the other corner, so you could potentially bring it down to that one. And there's also a pipe already running into that, but I don't have the hole cutter with me. Bring it with me, otherwise I might have done it. I don't know. Anyway, that being said, that's the job's done for today. There you go. So tomorrow I've got to finish off a kitchen and finish that off, hopefully get paid for that, because we need some cash flow. I need some cash flow. Wrong time of year, I've got people owing me money that don't want to pay. So, you know, it is what it is. Anyway, right. That's me signing off for this YouTube video. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. And on that note, I'm going to say something. I mean, I've done a few videos over the years, and I got this stupid comment, this light thing keeps going up and binging and binging and binging. Well, you know what do you want me to do? Re-edit the video and take it off? Well, I'm not going to do that, am I? So, live with it. You know, you expect everybody to have these channels and do it the way you want it. Well, why don't you make some videos and get on with it? But you don't, do you? You just like trolling other people and making their life miseries by leaving stupid comments on the videos. There you go. You know, you need to get a life. I'm not the one watching the how-to videos, am I? I'm not the one watching the tutorials. You are. So, end of the day, if you don't like what you see, jog on, find someone else to abuse. Have that. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video soon.